In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this BMW 328i. This is going to be in the engine bay on the driver's side. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this air intake tube, use a T20 socket, take these screws out. Just pull that back. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver and separate that and pull that out. I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. I'm just using a pick. Just get underneath the tab and then just pull the connector out. Disconnect that connector right there. Now using a 6mm socket, I'm going to loosen up this clamp. That's good. You try to pop that hose off now if you want, or when you're pulling the box out if it's a little easier. There we go. Just pop that off. And take these two bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. Or grab the airbox and pull it up. Now, all along the perimeter, we're going to take these screws out. Use a T25 socket. You can just split the case half. This is the air filter that you replace. Pull that out. You can clean out the box. Now install the new air filter. Line that up. Take this cover. Get this lined up. And put the screws back in. And tighten these down. Those are all tight. Now we can reinstall this in the vehicle. I'm going to take the airbox, get this lined up. And push the hose on. That's good. Now we can connect the connector for the mass airflow sensor, get that lined up, lock that in place, and tighten down the clamp. Snug that down. Now put these two bolts in. Snug those down. Now take this air tube, get this lined up. Put that in place. Get these screws in. Snug these down. Snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.